What's going on, guys? It's your boy Stunner Breezy, baby, coming to you live with another one. Another lit video, baby. Hey, man, it's Friday, so you already know what. We about to step outside, might get just a bluesy. But bro, had to get like Birdman. Boy, it's Friday, you know what that means? Payday, which every day is payday in DeFi crypto, baby. Any day can be payday. You can get paid at 1 o'clock in the morning in DeFi. That's how good we got it. Why? Sometimes I just wish they would just shut DeFi down just so you would miss it, just so you'll know what you got. Can't nobody else do it. You can't go to your boss at 2:30 in the morning and tell me, let me get $50, man. You sound like a crackhead. Hey, man. But anyway, listen, man. Some of y'all may not know this, but the first thing I do when I get up, man, the very first thing I do when I get up is check the price of Hex. That's what I do. It ain't even, I don't even worry about drip and all that. I know that ain't gonna be. I just been doing it for so long. That's what I do. I check the price of Hex, right? So, what I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna tell you, cause I know Richard listen. I know all the devs listen to me, man. Everybody listen to me. I'm the DeFi god. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, I'm going to tell you how to fix Hex. I'm going to tell you how to fix drip. Oh, of course, we'll talk about this animal farm too, boy. That thing strong, boy. $1.22. Anything, we're going to talk about that too, right? But anyway, so I wake up and I check the price of Hex. And boy, that thing ain't looking good. It ain't looking good. Looking sick, boy. I think Hex got the, I ain't going to say it because YouTube be tripping. But you know what I'm saying? It's coughing a little bit. You only get 2 coughs around me. Hey, but we might start fighting. You'll get me. The first one, I'm going to look at your side eye, boy. You know, you try to hold that second one. You get that vein in your forehead. You better hold it. But we finna fight. Don't start that. But anyway, man. Boy, that thing looking ugly. But ooh, that thing down almost 90%. But listen, I'm going to get right into it, man. This is how you can fix Hex. Right. And unfortunately, it's because Hex is tied to Pulse Chain now, right? Which I hate, because I just like Hex. You know what I'm saying? I've been doing it so long. It just, Hex is my Bitcoin. You know what I'm saying? That's the backbone of my whole crypto existence is Hex. I buy Hex just because I have to buy it. Like, I buy it and sell it. Like, that's just what you do, right? But it's tied to Pulse Chain now, right? So listen, the way to fix Hex is to do the same thing that Richard is doing with Hex in the AA lobby, or with the it ain't the AA lobby, it's on the staking, the Hex.com staking. You need to put an emergency unstake in the Pulse Chain sacrifice. Let that marinate on your soul a little bit. Richard, you need to put an emergency unstake in the Pulse Chain and the Pulse X sacrifices. No, you don't need to do another sacrifice for the wallet and all that. No, man, like you're just stealing money now. Let me tell you something. All this about you got, the more devs you got working on something, the more money got to come out the project. Them folk got to get paid. So all this here about, we got 12 devs working on it. We got 17 devs. We got 20 devs. We got 30 devs. That's just more money got to come out the project to pay them folk. You know what I'm saying? So I don't know how many devs they got on Pulse Chain, but I know you been holding folk money for almost a year now. It ain't a bad thing. Some people may not even use it. But it shows that, the project is still viable. If you want to be in, cool. If not, people like that kind of stuff. You know what I'm saying? All you got to do is have an emergency unstake. And that way, people won't have to sell Hex to have money. You see what I'm saying? It's kind of the same problem with drip. The only reason, well, I ain't gonna say the only reason because the whole market going down. But the reason the drip price is going down is because people, they ain't nowhere to get no money. Ain't nowhere else to get no money, bro. Most people got most of their money in the drip network. So the way to get money, they have to come over here and sell it. You know what I'm saying? So here's the way to fix drip, right? The way to fix drip is basically 2 things, but the main way to fix drip is to change the tax percentage, right? See, 10% tax on sales, right? But there's also a 10% tax. Let me show you. There's also a 10% tax when you charge on deposit when you deposit into the faucet. You see what I'm saying? So what I would do is I would change the 10% tax on deposits because you want people in the faucet. So I would swap it. I keep it at the same 20%. 10 for sales, 10 on the deposit. People are going to do both. So it's the same thing, right? So what I would do is change the deposit tax, lower that to like 3%, something low. You know what I'm saying? Cool. Lower it to 3% and change the sale tax to like 17, 18%. People are going to sell anyway, no matter what the sale tax is. They're just going to do it. So you want to change that to 17, 18%. Then take some of that, take a piece of that, and every sale, a piece of that goes into, you guessed it, the reservoir. Right? Wouldn't that make sense? It'll go into the reservoir. That just makes sense. Right? I think that would do a world of good. You know what I'm saying? Because I get it with the all of it going, some of it going to the tax vault and all that. So it doesn't matter if it's you doing it, whichever button you clicking, it's that it's going to the tax vault. But if it stems some of the selling and encourages some of the deposit, then you'll get more buyers and going to the deposit and kind of bypassing the sale pressure until the market turns around. That's what my number 2 point. I don't think you got to do with drip to keep it going. If you keep drip going, it's going to turn around. It's just that nobody has nowhere to get no more money, so they have to come here to get it. But if the market turns around and people are getting more money from other places, then, just like it was before when the market was going up. People was happy to compound and all that kind of stuff because there was other places to get money. You understand what I'm saying? But if they change this tax percentage and make it a higher tax on sales, it'll make people kind of think twice, you know what I'm saying? Because you have to sell a lot of drip to get a little bit of B&B, and you get that tax like, I'll wait. Huh? You get what I'm saying? But anyway, that's the way I would do. Get emergency, unstaked, on pulse chain. You know what I'm saying? So people can get money and not get the sale pressure off of Hex. And I would change the tax percentage on sales on the drip network and have some of that going automatically to the reservoir. You got 100,000 sales, some of that going to the reservoir. That's what I would do. Right? Now let's get over here to this monster, right? So check this out. I'm always going to give you different perspective. I'm always going to make you see it clearly, right? So check this out. Forget all this right here for a minute. Just look at this price, right? Now, if I told you this was, let's say, Avalanche, and you just look at the price, just looking at it, knowing what the market is doing, tanking like hell, right? And if I told you this was just Avalanche, you'll be like, boy, that's strong. It's still 8. But it ain't down 90%, 80, 90% like everything else. But that's strong, boy. Ooh, that price strong, right? But the mere fact I tell you is Pig. Oh, man. Oh, it's going, oh, man, it's crazy. It's going down. But Pig, what? You see how you just changed just that quick? Just by the name. Just because of what I said it was. Now, if you just take this price, if it was just Pig on the coin market cap and just looking at this price, it's strong. It's cool. With the way the market going down, the whole market done lost over $1.3 trillion in market cap. Where it go? So that's strong. Never mind the fact it's paying out this kind of money. This is a miracle. Bro, you got to take your emotions and feelings out of crypto and just look at it for what it is. Take names off of it. The price is strong for what it does. Look at what it's doing. Even if you just getting the $77 out. If it's so easy, how come 10 devs ain't doing it? Why it ain't 10 of these out there? That way you can go around all 10 of them and get $77 out. This is not easy to do, bro. It's not. You are watching a DeFi miracle taking place. Something to pay you 2-3% every day. See, you have to compare things apples to apples. Go put $1,000 in here and put $1,000 anywhere else you want. Piggy Bank against the world. Put $1,000 in 10 more platforms. I guarantee you Piggy Bank outperform them all. Even with the price going down. Because of what it's paying out. You have to look at things objectively. Like, this is crazy. This is oh, and shout out to somebody for sending me some steaks. Who was this, man? I don't know who it was, but shout out to y'all, man. Somebody sent me 3 steaks. I think it may have been like one piglet, maybe 2 piglets, something like that. But hey, it's a thought that count. They sent them to me. They gifted them to you, boy. That's what I'm talking about, man. I appreciate y'all. So what I'm gonna do to show my appreciation, man, I'm gonna add to the deposit. You know what I'm saying? That's how you do it. If somebody gifts you a steak, add to it. This why I be telling people, airdrops ain't for to make you rich. They ain't sending me this, to give me more riches. It's a thought that count. Hey, man, cool. I got me some more steak. Hey, whatever. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this 100 I got and I'm gonna deposit on top of these. I might put 50 on this one and 50 on this one, right? That's how you do it, guys. So if I send you or anybody else send you an airdrop, add on to it. That's how you make the system work for you. Anybody else will run up and like, oh, let me sell it. I'll get my money. That's fine too. Do what you hey, solo sport, baby. You know what I'm saying? I'm just trying to tell you how to make the best of the situation. So that's what I'm gonna do. Let me see. Take that. Oh no, can they take these back? They can't take these back, can they? Oh no. So let me click deposit into the amount of let me do 50 on that one. I think that's the way it worked. This my first time doing deposit. See, I'm showing you how to do the deposit. I ain't never done it. I might finna lose 50 deposit LPs. I don't know. We about to see. Give me the finger. Give me there you go. There you go. All right, deposit successful. Transaction confirmed. We're gonna see if the number gonna change. All right, cool. So all right, now they're making a new state because it was right here, and now I went from 7,000 truffles or piglets to 101,000 with them 50, right? So now I'm trying to think, should I add another 50 to one of these, or should I put another 50 back on this one and make it bigger? I think that's what I'm gonna do. I think I'm just gonna add another 50 to this one and keep it going. You know what I'm saying? I think that's what I'm doing. Sound like I'm really. Oh man, I can't. Oh, a minute. Can I deposit? Okay, I'm finna see this too. Can I deposit with timer? Get out of here with the timer on. Let me see if I can do that. No, man. Hey man, you gotta make your first shot your best shot. Dog, I wish I could. Oh, golly. What should I do? What should I do? You know what I should do? I'm finna give away some money. Oh, no, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna say that for a later video. I'm finna give away some money. Oh, let me go. B&B minor still paying, man. The contract still going up. Boy, it's almost at 2,900. I just look at my TBS still going. All I do is just compound. I just keep compounding. That's all I do. But anyway, man, let me go to my old video from the other day, from May 31st, and still give away some more money. So I be going back, still getting away. Can't get everybody. Let's see what they say. Buying plants, buying pigs, buying more drip. Shout out to you, King Star King. Let me give you some of this here, baby. Airdrop you a little something. Ain't nobody giving away more money than me, bro. Nobody, bro. Just on a whim. Just let me give away some more money, man. Come on now. There we go. Bam. Give away some more money. Get it, man. 4. Gift them piglets. Come on. Gift them piglets. Let me pause the video so I give away some more people. Come on, thing. Come on. There we go. Transaction confirmed. They gonna give away some more money, baby. What's up, Veronica York? Let's see. Love all your videos. Even shared them with a couple of floozes. Oh, you know you finna get an ad drop. Share them with a couple of floozes. That's what I'm talking about. Hey, man. Give away this money, bro. I just like giving away money. What you want me to say? Ain't nobody giving away money no bad market. I get it, though. I get it, bro. I get it. But I'm stunner. That's what make me me. You know what I'm saying? Gift the piglets. Let's go, baby. Come on. I see that reservoir. I see y'all sitting in that reservoir, boy. I made 2 deposits in the reservoir this morning. Come on, thing. Let's go, baby. Time running out. Anyway, man, like the video. Comment, subscribe. Holla back at your boy, man. I keep giving away this money. Holla back at your boy.